Yes, hello, here is Woti and I want to make a review about this Swiss army knife here. It's not especially the army knife, but it's the same company, Victorinox, that make the Swiss army knife. This is the Victorinox Outrider, it's the name of this knife. And it's a special recommendation from me to you if you want to have a very good knife which is very helpful in some difficult situation, because in my holidays last week we have a situation like this. We were driving with a bus, with a big bus for the persons. It's not a really big bus, but yes, and the car broke down. We have a problem in the engine, so we hear a noise, I don't know in English, zischen in German, and now we have to look what it is with the engine. And then we saw there was a hose and there was cracking. And by this hose there was a piece of plastic, hard plastic, and we have to cut down this piece of plastic, and we had to put on a new connector. The bus driver had connectors, and he had some news. And now then was the question, who has a knife? Nobody in this bus had a knife. So because I'm Swiss, I every time have a knife by me, not only this little one, also like this. But when I go in other country I can't take such knives, but with this you never had a problem. So we had to cut the hose. We tried with this, so the bus driver tried it, because it's not my bus, I won't make any damages to the engine, and he say, poor, that don't works because it was hard plastic. So then I told him, my friend, take this saw. With this saw from the Swiss army knives you can cut bones. I promise you, this is possible. Only metal is not possible, but the most materials you can saw and cut with it. So he tried it, and look, it worked. And we can fix the bus, and our little trip was possible to go on. So now I want to review this knife. What all it's included in this knife. First, the edge, the normal edge with very sharp, how every Swiss army knife, every Victorinox knife. Important is to know that this edge here is fixed. The most of the knives are not fixed, and here you have I know it's not a gun, but the decocker here you can here now it's safe, and now here it's locked and you can close it. Then what we have also, we have here a screwdriver, and you can open a bottle of beer, for example. Then, yes, you have seen it was the saw. Then we have, I don't know in English, screw, Schere in German, sorry. This is also very sharp. You can use it for a lot of things. You also can cut plastic things with this, no problem. And then we also have a cross screwdriver, and this is not fixed, but it's very strong. And the important thing is it's very thin, very long, and you can good go to the screws. You can work it very nicely with it. So first you have put back this and then screw. And what we have also is the tin opener. You can see you can open tins. It works very well. So what we have also we have here, I don't know in English. In German we call it Ale. You can fix something with you can make some works with leather to fix nähen. I don't know in English, sorry, but perhaps you know or you have already seen this. There are a lot of reviews how useful this thing is, and you can use it for a lot of things. Yes. Then you have here this loop here, menu loop. Then you have a pincette. I don't know in English, sorry. Next time I must prepare better. And here, if you have something in your teeth, in your tens, you can put it over. These knives are in black and in red color, just these two. The price is 59 Swiss francs. In US dollar is about the same Swiss dollar, and Swiss francs will be 59 US dollars. Yes. And it's a recommendation from me. I have this knife since 15 years by me on my side, and I use it very often, and it still works, no problem. The good thing is it's not too thick, yes, not too thick, because there are some they are very much thicker, and then if you have to work in an engine, for example, it don't works if it's not a super big engine. But the modern engines, you know, this is all very close, and then it's good when it's not so thick, when it's a thin knife here, thin tool. Yes. Okay, then sorry for my bad English, and I wish you a nice evening or day, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.